I am Maipelo Ngoma broadcasting live outside the Hilton Hotel where Charles Manasseh, an international actor from Botswana, will be receiving an award for his role in the movie Belgium Does Not Rhyme with Threesome, which he produced and directed. So let's welcome Charles Manasseh. Hello, sir.
How are you, Maipelo?
Can you tell us more about what the movie is all about?
Well, Belgium Does Not Rhyme with Threesome is a movie about a young African man who goes across the borders in search of himself, his inner peace. Yes, that's it.
So what response have you been getting so far?
The response to this movie has been quite good because people, they seem to connect with this young little black boy as he travels in pain, suffering, and then heals himself, through all the adversity that he has to go through. So people love it. They love it.
Okay, thank you, sir, and we wish you well. We wish you to see you more in our screens.
Thank you.
That was from me. Back to you, Colin.